Dear students, welcome back to English class. In the previous module, we have learned what is noun and we have learned what is countable noun and uncountable noun with examples. In this module, we are going to learn types of nouns and quantifiers. What are nouns? Nouns name people, animals, places, things and ideas. In English, there are different types of or classes of nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are for things we can count using numbers. They have a singular and a plural form. The singular form can be used the determiner a or an. If you wanted to ask about the quantity of a countable noun, you ask how many, combined with the plural countable noun. Uncountable nouns are for the things that we cannot count with numbers. Uncountable nouns are used with a singular verb. They usually do not have a plural form. We cannot use a or an with these nouns. To express a quantity of an uncountable noun, we use a word or expression like some, a lot of, much, a bit of, etc. Next, let us see the other types of nouns. Common noun. Common noun is used to name people, places or things in general. For example, girl, city, animal, house, food, etc. Next is proper noun. Proper noun is used to name a specific person, place or thing. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. For example, London, France, John, Pluto, etc. Next, we have learned what is countable and uncountable noun in the previous module. Next is concrete noun. Concrete noun refers to the people or things that exist physically and that at least one of them senses can detect. For example, dog, tree, apple, moon, etc. Next is abstract noun. Abstract noun have no physical existence. They refer to ideas, emotions and concepts you cannot see, touch, hear, smell or taste. For example, love, time, fear, freedom, etc. Next is compound noun. Two or more words that create noun is called compound noun. They can be written as one word, joined by a hyphen or written as separate words. For example, rainfall, son-in-law, credit card, etc. Next is collective noun. Collective noun refers to a set of people, animals or things. They are often followed by of plus plural noun. For example, bunch of flowers, team, stag, folk, etc. Next is quantifiers. What are quantifiers? Quantifiers are words that are used to state quantity or amount of something without stating the actual number. Quantifiers answer the questions how many and how much. Quantifiers can be used with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Quantifiers must agree with the noun. There are three main types of quantifiers. Quantifiers that are used with countable nouns, quantifiers that are used with uncountable nouns, and the third type of quantifiers that are used with either countable nouns or uncountable nouns. Quantifiers with countable noun, uncountable noun, and both are given here. Quantifiers with countable noun. Countable nouns answer the question of how many. That is, if you say, I bought apples, the next question will be how many. So, these nouns answer the quantity. For example, a few, a number of, several, a dozen, etc. Quantifiers with uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns answer the question of how much, that is, I have a very little sugar left in the jar. A large amount of milk was adulterated. How much money do you have? A bit of chicken is still left in his plate. Likewise, the nouns that answer how much and how many fall under this type. For example, all, enough, more, less, no, none, any, some, etc. Dear students, see you in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.